In this video, I will show you how to add upsell products in cart drawer without using any app. We will use Shopify Liquid, few lines of CSS. This is the demo. When product add to the cart, then it will show here and hide from upsell. It increases your Shopify store's revenue. These are the steps to create upsell products in Shopify without any app. You can search abidshopifydev.com/cart-upsell-products.html. Currently it is not published. I will publish and you can read article and watch YouTube video. So let's get started. These are the steps to create upsell products in Shopify. Step number 1, add metafield definition. Go to settings, metafields and meta objects, products, add definition. Metafield name should be complementary products. For example, type compli. Shopify suggests complementary products. Click here. Now the key is auto-generated. Shopify -- discovery -- product recommendation .complementary products. We will use this key in our code, and type should be list of products. Description is optional, and click save. Step number 2, link upsell products. There are two options. We can add through search and discovery app, and option B, directly in the product admin. We will link products directly. Products, for example, click this product, scroll down, you can see here product metafields, complementary products, link products. The Fred Perry shirt. For example, I have linked these upsell products with the main product. This is the main product and these are upsell products. Click save. This is step 2, link upsell products. Step number 3, add the upsell code to cart-drawer.liquid snippet. For example, when we preview this theme, and our main product is this one, add to cart. Product is added to cart, but upsell products are not rendered. We will render here. Inspect. Cart drawer items and drawer footer. We will add upsell products between cart drawer items and drawer footer here. For example, copy cart drawer items, edit code, you can search cart drawer items. It is shown in 1, 2, 3, 4 files: cart drawer.js, cart.js, component cart-drawer.css. We can add here cart-drawer.liquid. Click here, minimize it or scroll down. Cart drawer items and drawer footer. We will add between cart drawer items and drawer footer. For example, test here, upsell products, click save, refresh. Yeah, upsell products. We will render upsell products here. Add the upsell code to cart-drawer.liquid snippet. Copy this entire code. Click here. The code is copied and paste here. You can remove it and paste here. Click save. Refresh. Now the upsell products are added to the cart drawer, but here the issue. We will resolve this in step number 4. Add required assets at the top of cart-drawer.liquid snippet. Copy these 3 lines of code and add top of the cart drawer file. For example, add here. Save, refresh. Now the upsell products are added to the cart. Step number 5, find the cart drawer render in theme.liquid. Go to theme.liquid file, Control P in Windows and Command P in Mac, theme.liquid, and search settings.cart type is equal to drawer. Copy this line of code and comment this line, comment this code and paste this code. Click save. Refresh. Now the pop-up show here. Add to cart. Now the product hide from upsell product and show here. Set cart type to drawer in theme settings. Now the cart drawer is already shown in my theme. If your cart drawer is not shown, you can edit theme and open customizer. Go to settings, cart, select drawer here and click save and test. Now let me explain this code step by step. First of all, we loop through all cart items. For example, remove this upsell product first. Loop through all cart items. For item in cart.items. For example, we have first for one item in the cart and pull all of its linked upsell products. These upsell products that we linked, pull all upsell products one by one and render card product snippet. Card product snippet is built in snippet in Dawn theme and pass upsell product this upsell product in this snippet and render card one by one. If the item is already in the cart, if upsell item is already in the cart, for example, if this upsell item is already in the cart, then remove from upsell products and add to the cart. It renders all cards in upsell and store in upsell products variable and render here. This is heading, you can change. Thank you.